magandang hapon po. Ito po ang third episode ng paborito niyong kasalo tuwing tanghali. Ang gusto ko, Sabado, GKS. Yes, it's me, Mark Corrales, on the flesh of G of the studio. Tingnan mo na, tignan nyo naman 'to, wala ng harang dito, guys. Kitang-kita niyo naman wala ng harang dito, like literally. At meron na tayong graphic, meron na tayong poster, may poster na tayo. Woo! Full Studio 5, ang main studio ng GKS Gusto Ko Sabado. If you want to join sa mga nanonood diyan sa YouTube, puwede kayo punta na kayo, may andun sa description ng live ang ating main link sa ating GKS Studio, Full Studio 5. Okay, ito ang GKS Gusto Ko Sabado. Napapanood po tayo sa Cool TV, napapakinggan sa Cool FM via online radio box at Zeno FM, pati na rin sa TGON Productions YouTube channel at sa Cool Plus delayed telecast at 2:30 to 4 right after its showtime. Ito sa Cool Plus. Pati rin napapanood rin tayo sa Terebi TV 16 ASP Media Channel. Hello there. Ay replay tayo Sunday ng umaga. Yes. If I am correct, Cairo, Sunday umaga rin tayo play GK Terebi TV 16. Tama ba ako? Pero
Oo. Tama.
so may live na nga tayo ng Sabado, may replay pa ng Sunday ng umaga. So, musta naman ang buhay-buhay ninyo mga ka-GKS kada? Pangit nun, GKS kada na lang. So, may mga pagbabago dito sa Cool Studio. I'm gonna lead the tour. Salumi Terebi. Para. Hindi lang nagbago. Alam nyo guys, wala akong masabi. Eto, may pinagbago dito sa may hallway. Merong bago sa hallway. Alam nyo yun? It's SVC Mika, let's go! SVC Mika on top! By Terebi Video Group. This is real. Ito, same pa rin, may Will to Win cards pa tayo. Red, blue, and white. Sa colors mismo ng Will to Win. Nagbago na yung title card dito. Hangout with Mamon, May Tulugan, Talk with MSA, Talk with Sen, Aspers Cafe, Hello Pilipinas, and of course, GKS Gusto Ko Sabado! I'm jumping for joy na dito. May pagbabago rin dito sa may studio ni Mamon. Dapat pinangalangan itong studio ni Mamon eh. Eto, meron na tayong decals dito. Meron na rin tayong DJ booth. Yes, dito na mag-HWM. Ayan, perfect. Patayin na natin yung LED screen. Hindi ngayon hangout with Mamon. Anyways, next week na po pala ang 100th episode ng ating paboritong Mamon. Yes, Hangout with Mamon. Episode 100 next week. At dito naman tayo sa may radio booths. Dito may pagbabago rin dito. Eto, meron na tayong radio booth ng Terra Radio 76.9. Old layout. May couch na mala face-to-face. Couch na mala face-to-face. As ang main layout table. You're listening to Terra Radio 76.9. Ang susunod nating kanta ay Skibidi Dop, yes. Ay, mali. Dito naman, sa kabila, ang ikalawang Cool FM booth. Dito magano ang Siesta Musika with Dream Car. May decal yung yellow, white, and black. walls, decal walls. At dito, yung TV natin dito, pinapakita yung Cool News at 4, live feed. That's my next Panarak weekdays. Sheesh! Paalala lang guys, may announcement lang ako. Ang Chesto Musika with Drinker ay magiging music automated. Wala munang adlibs because of Dreamcar suffering from ano na to? Kuryente. Walang kuryente sa kanila. So, it will be an music automated Chesto Musika at 2. Dito sa may Chito FM 69.9, empty! Dito, empty rin, at empty rin. So, balik na tayo. May bago rin sa, ano bang sasabihin ko? Wag na yun. Wala akong jumping on the bed. Punta tayo sa may elevator, Terebs. Punta tayo sa elevator. Ano kayang elevator yun? Ding-dong-dong. Punta tayo sa second room. Second, level ng Cool Studio. Starapapapa. Cool FM. Yan, nandito na tayo sa floor 2 ng ating May bago rin dito. No, hindi ito yung tungkol sa hinge problem, aka Hello Pilipinas. Hinge problem. Ito yung tungkol dito sa may Cool News at Cool News side ng Cool News Studios. Meron na tayong trio table, round table. At kung mag-isa lang yung mga anchor, isa lang yung magiging anchor, ito ang gagamitin nila. Ang right wing ng Cool FM. I mean, ng right wing ng Cool News Studio. Look at me, I'm doing some cool news. Anyways, wala namang bago sa floor 3, which is the main offices ng ating bago lang ay wala. Literal na wala. Yan lang ang mga bago guys. Bababa na tayo pupunta sa GKS Studios. GKS Studio, what I mean. Stum bum 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 skabadabadaba di 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 di. And dito na tayo. Balik na tayo sa may GKS Studio. Hinge problem! Whoop! Hinge problem. Ang official hashtag pala natin ngayon sa GKS Gusto Ko Sabado is hashtag GKS Bermans na. And then next week, wala na tayong hashtag. Isa na lang ang ating magiging hashtag and that will be hashtag Gusto Ko Sabado. At sa ang hashtag natin sa Cool Plus ay hashtag GKS on Cool Plus. Ayun. On today's episode of GKS, we will recap lahat ng mga naging topics sa Aspir's Cafe sa ating bagong segment na Aspir's Cafe Recap on GKS. Sa Gusto Ko Balita naman, Halipap magsasara na ngayong September 20 sa mismong anniversary date nito. At sa Cool Trivia, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba nagsimula yung Hangout with Mamon. Yes, Cool Trivia tayo. It's about the Cool FM's longest running Hangout with Mamon. Kasi 100 episodes na sila next week. Magbibigay ako ng mga trivia about it. And it's 12:41. Magbabalik ang GKS Gusto Ko Sabado.
is a TVH group.
Balik tayo si KS Gusto Ko Sabado. Trivia ay magsisimula na ngayon. So, alam nyo ba? Ang Hangout was originally Hangout with Nanon. Tayo sa TH Network YouTube. So, premiere nung wait lang, punta tayo sa playlist. Malito. Share screen. Punta tayo sa TBH Network. YouTube mismo ng Ba't may talk with MSA? Eh, yo, no. Blur ninyo yung talk with MSA. Blur. Hina kasi dito, hangout with Nanon. Ayun, hangout with view playlist. Nagsimula to maybe more than 1 year ago. Ang first episode nito ay nung October 18, 2023 with an opening just like this. Wait a minute. Okay na? So, nagtagal ito ng 5 episodes hanggang nag-rebrand into Hangout, which is titignan natin bago tignan natin kung paano na Hangout Nanon. Yun. Wait lang natin.
Alam nyo ba, ang shabu ay hindi dapat yung gamitin.
Yan ang opening si Gio na nagsabi ng alam nyo ba na ang shabu ay hindi dapat gamitin.
Okay, so magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Tensya na, meron tayong 1 minute delay. Medyo
Saan na ng mother mo?
dito. Nakalabas na. Okay, so magandang gabi sa inyo lahat at welcome na naman sa second edition ng Hangout. Oh, di ba? Wow.
Ako pa yung graphics nitong Cool FM. May 99.5 pa, tas ito pa, merong logo ng Cool FM na naka-white, tas October 18, 2023, tas paalala palagi magsuot ng face mask. Natanggal na ba yan? Itong palagi magsuot ng face mask? Kasi tapos ng pandemic eh.
Magandang gabi sa inyo guys. So, bago tayo magsimula, ako pa pala si Nanon at papakinggan po ang Cool FM sa 99.5 FM sa online streaming services Zino at Audios at mapapanood din ito sa Cool TV sa cable at YouTube channel ng TVH at soon din mapapakinggan itong Hangout with Nanon sa LVM Radio.
Unang narinig natin sa Hangout with Nanon ang salitang LVM Radio, which is Mamon's fan-made radio. At ito yung final Hangout with Mamon Nanon episode bago mag first episode ang Mamon edition. Kasi he is soft as Mamon. Like literally. Eto na tayo sa Hangout with Mamon full episodes. Anyways, andito pala ako. Kasama ko si Cairo. Pero may ginagawa siya in real life. So, wag na natin sa pakilaman dyan. Purpose lang siya. Nung episode 1, February 2024, ang unang episode ng Hangout with Mamon. Ito ay hosted by Mamon Kirkwali. Yan na po yung name niya. So, bahala na tayo dyan. Papakita ba yung ano ko?
Okay,
Simula
so
with a new music na nalala na lagi nating naririnig na boses ni Mamon.
oras po natin ngayon 8:06 PM. Okay, so siya nga pala, bago na nga palang look natin ngayon. Bagong look, yung font yung font ng ano, yung font ng Mamon, Itbulaga yan.
Literal kasi, tingnan nyo naman, no? Yung dito, yung hangot, yung Mamon font, yung Itbulaga tape, yung tape na Itbulaga, nak ng tupig. Ay, po. Let's continue.
Bulaga. Okay, so magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. At ito po si Mamon. Hindi na po na noon kasi alam niyo na medyo ano rin yung ego ko kay masyadong ano yung ego pag iano ko si Nanon. Kaya Mamon na lang.
Mamon, kung bakit nagpalit siya ng pangalan from Nanon to Mamon.
Okay, so magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. So, kumusta naman ang araw ninyo? And I'm back. Surprise, mother.
Surprise mo.
Surprise, mother. Ang araw ninyo? And I'm back. Surprise, mother.
Surprise, mother blade.
Back. Surprise, mother. Okay, so grabe, sarap ng kain ko ngayon. Pero di ko, ang sarap na nga ng kain ko, pero di ko pa tapos yung Last Twilight episode 7. Ay, no. Pero guys, pag sa mga BL fans dyan, may recommend na panoorin ninyo yung Last Twilight. Ang ganda no.
Ni Mamon is yung Last Twilight series. Eto naman tayo sa episode 36 kung saan dito na nagtapos yung old logo ng Hangout with Mamon at nung April 23, nagkaroon na ng rebranding ng logo para sa season 2. Yes, season 2.
The views and opinions expressed by the program host or guests do not necessarily state or reflect the official views and position of TVH Network, 99.5 Cool FM, and TVH Group of Networks Incorporated.
Okay, so we're having some technical difficulties. Okay. Nawawala ang OBB. Wait, ako magano ng OBB? Sige.
Live mula sa Cool FM. Simulan na ng makwela at masayang Hangout with Mamon. Hang out with Bamon on 99.5 Cool FM.
So, yun na nga po. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, mga kalamaw. Ngayon po ay 22 araw ng Abril taon 2024. Ang lalim nun ni.
Ang ng sound effects ni grabe. Oh my god, that was extremely cringe. Let's continue.
Ang lalim nun. So, yun. So, bale guys, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.
Live
So,
mula sa Cool FM. Simulan na ng makwela at masayang hangout
tapos na po
with
yung OBB.
Bamon.
Okay. So, ganun po talaga. Nagkakaroon din po ng
Hangout
technical
with Bamon
difficulties dito. So,
on 99.5 Cool FM.
Yung final episode, tignan mo yung old logo. Naman yung logo. Para sa wait lang.
The views and opinions expressed by the program host or guests do not necessarily state or reflect the official views and position of TVH Network, 99.5 Cool FM, and TVH Group of Networks Incorporated. Live mula sa Cool FM. Simulan na ng makwela at masayang hangout with Bamon. Hangout with Bamon on 99.5 Cool FM.
Okay. So, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, mga kalamaw. At ito na nga po.
Hey! Look at that, people! We have a brand new look and a new studio. What do you think, Mamon? Are you watching the stream? Are you
Yes.
watching the stream?
Yes, I'm watching the stream right now. Wait lang yan, ko na yung
And
sound
what do you
effect.
think?
Yan. Okay,
Hi.
so,
Oh, naman. Hi, there you go. But yeah.
Yun na. Maging na ang hangout with Mamon until ngayon. Yes, hanggang ngayon. And mag-episode 100 na to next week. Abangan ninyo. Mondays to Wednesdays. Na. Yes, basta Mondays to Wednesdays dito lang sa 99.5 Cool FM. Time check, it's 1:03. Magbabalik ang GKS. Gusto ko Sabado.
Oh yeah, okay, nababalik na ang gusto ko Sabado. Yes, in fact, I'm going to be speaking English in this show. I'm very sorry, Marco Morales, because I don't want to force myself to use Filipino Tagalog jargon. Understand here. So yes, guys, ladies and gentlemen, the only one in the studio right now. So yeah, as Marco Morales said to me earlier, we will be covering the recap of Asper's Coffee so far. So yeah, let's get started now. So yeah, let's get started. So let's recap what we have covered so far on Asper's Coffee. So let's see here. Okay, so as if I remember correctly, we covered the iPhone 16 event on Monday. Yeah, we covered iPhone 16 event on Monday. We have covered everything that you just need to know, like the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, the new AirPods, and the revamped AirPods Max with USB Type-C charging on that. So, yep, you heard that right, people. We have covered the iPhone 16 event on Monday so far. So now let's see what else did we cover on Tuesday. So give me one moment. Okay, Tuesday. Wait a minute. Did I get it wrong? Oh right, I forgot. Monday, I was outside. Yeah, Monday I was outside the house at that time, and that Monday episode when it turned into some random Asper's Coffee episode. So yeah, Tuesday actually, my bad. That was actually Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday we covered the iPhone 16 event. Wednesday was the anime news. So here are the anime news we have covered. So far we have covered the Rurouni Kenshin Anime Season 2. We have covered Loner Life in Another World, which Muse will be licensing that here in Southeast Asia, which is our country. Ishura Season 2. Yep. Ishura Season 2 has been unveiled. That was set to debut next year in January 2025. Demon Lord Retry R, of course, that has unveiled ending song artist and October 5 debut. That will be the debut date there. Yu Utano Prism Samamaji love film reveal. Yep, they have revealed the official title along with the cast of staff and May 9 debut, that is next year. Yasuga Finance reveals more cast, opening theme song, and the debut date, which is October 7. And as a reincarnated Arisol Korat, I'll use my appraisal skill. Yeah, the second season will be premiered on September 29. My Hero Academia, your next film to premiere at Beyond Fest in Los Angeles on October 6. Yup. And the unfortunate news that we all heard of, Sailor Jupiter, voice actress Imi Shinohara. She passed away at her age of 61. And the Gap 3B, and then afterwards we have extended the show, which is unprecedented. But yeah, we have covered Hanawasaku Shura no Gotoku anime. That was the thing that went in. So yeah, first video revealed. They revealed more cast, staff, and January debut. Just set to debut next year, and Dreamcard did the rest here. So we have Habiru's Dragon of 5,000 Years gets unfairly villainized season 2, which will be released on October 2, and the new trailer along with the visual. The 7 Deadly Sins for Knights of the Apocalypse Season 2 anime will be released on October 6th along with the main trailer and visual. Romelia Sanki anime adaptation has been revealed. Gensoki Spirit Chronicles Season 2 reveals more characters, of course, and the Do-Over Devil Conquers the Dragon Emperor anime, which will be premiered on October 9. Now, for the gaming news that took place on Thursday, we have covered Aniplex Akatsuki Games called that. Yeah, the Aniplex and Akatsuki Games will be covering. What do I say this? They will be covering a project. Not covering. I'm sorry. They will be developing Project Hike. There you go. Project Hike. Yes. Genshin Impact announces McDonald's collaboration. Yep, that's we have covered that. Astrobot free DLC coming later this year. Nippon Ichi Software launches content site for new game, and we have yet to see what title will it be. So we're gonna have to stick around for that one. And the GAP3A and GAP3B non, but Dreamcar has filled in here. So apparently GAP3A was skipped because of overtime, so it was actually under GAP2, and then GAP3 was the last one actually, if I remember correctly. So yeah, there's more here. Blue Archive inspired Project KV was cancelled after a month, sadly. Pixel Cross Rune Factory, a new crossover puzzle game with Rune Factory. Spray Paint Spray Paint Simulator. Yep, it's about the spraying the paint, obviously. Spraying the paint, honestly. Yeah. Mika and the Witch Mountain review. Yeah, why did he post that? That should not be under the gaming news.
Yes, and it is a waifu alert. Not a waifu alert.
A PlayStation Plus game catalog and classic catalog lineup. Yep, they have. Yep, PlayStation announced the entire their
Wait a minute.
PS Plus game catalog and classics for the September. And the top 10 gaming keyboards. I really don't think that should be under gaming news, honestly. And the news, finally, and the last one for us to discover the gaming news that just came in is that Microsoft Gaming off 2,550 rules. Yup. Or actually 650 redundancy. Yes. The one that we're about to wrap it up. The news just came in at that time. So yeah, Microsoft Gaming layoffs. Very sad. So yeah. That's the Aspers Cafe recap right here on Gusto Ko Sabado. Back to you, Marco Ramos. Okay, we are not hearing anything from our fellow host, Mark. I think he's having internet issues, unfortunately. I don't know, but that could be why. I don't know, but I'm waiting for him to speak, and then I will step down from the stage, so because I'm gonna do something else too. Okay, well, Marco Rogers is having technical difficulties with his stuff here. Mark, can you hear me? Mark? Okay, Mark. Mark. I can't hear you. Okay, he muted his mic. Alright then. Mark, hello? Hello. Okay, you might want to leave and rejoin the stage. Okay, never mind. I can hear you now, maybe. One more time. Testing one more time.
Okay.
Mark.
Okay, I'm all
There
good.
you go. I can hear you now. Okay.
Let's
I will
go
step
back to
down
the
now.
Cool Studios.
I will. Oh yeah. Okay. I will now step down. Back to you, Mark.
Okay, so it's 1:21. Thank you, Cairo, sa pag-takeover mo muna bilang unang episode ng ating special, unang pagtatanghal ng segment na Asper's Cafe Recap on GKS. Now it's 1:21, magbabalik ang GKS Gusto Sabado. We'll be back. Nagbabalik tayo dito sa GKS Gusto Ko Sabado. Umpisa na natin ang Gusto Ko Balita. Ning, 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 ning. Wala pa kaming ganun. Quite cool ang ating segment yan. So, unahin na natin dito. Alipop to cease operations after 4 years. The local feed of the channel will close down soon. Through a ticker that ran during programs on Monday, September 9, Halipop announced that it will be taken off the air in a few days' time. According to the notice, the channel's last day will be on September 20, coinciding with its launch date 4 years ago. Kamsahamnida to our loyal fans and viewers. Halipop is signing off on September 20, and we want to thank everyone for supporting their channel and enjoying great music, reality shows, K-dramas, and movies with us for the past 4 years, the announcement read. It also asks its viewers to continue supporting Jimmy Network by tuning into iHeart Movies and Heart of Asia channels. It was on September 20, 2020, when the Philippine version of the Alibaba channel, marketed as a pop culture channel, was launched on digital terrestrial television after an agreement was reached between Jimmy Network and content partner Jungo TV earlier that year. Although before the partnership, it was already an American digital channel that exclusively streams on platforms like Roku, having started in 2019. Throughout its channel life, it aired programs like Music Bank, K-pop, music videos via Stargaze Music, the original version of the popular Korean variety show Running Man, and concerts from Western acts like Beyonce as part of its schedule. Halipop is part of Jimmy's suite of digital TV offerings, which includes Heart of Asia, iHeart Movies, and Pinoy Hits. Currently, it is not yet known what Jimmy plans to do with the soon-to-be vacated sub-channel slot of Halipop. That's coming from Trendrod WordPress. Okay, I'm finding some ano. Okay, punta tayo sa news.abs-cbn.com para sa lifestyle and entertainment news. Time check 19 is 1:32. Pero ko 9. Punta tayo sa weather muna nga. Agri-damage in Naga due to Enteng hits 5 million pesos. Naglulod na yung Yun. Bit-bit ang kanyang galagang aso, naluluha pa ang residente kay Lani Santito nang alalahanin kung paano nailigtas ang kanyang alaga sa sunog na mali. That was the wrong one, sorry. Okay, here we go. Over 5 million pesos worth of agricultural damages have been entailed in Naga after torrential rains hit the city amid the onslaught of Tropical Storm Enteng. Naga City Mayor Nelson Legacion confirmed this in an interview with Teleradyo Servicio. Base sa nakarating sa akin, I think around 5 million pesos na ang naging damage, Legacion said. Meanwhile, authorities are currently fixing a bridge that was damaged by Enteng due to water overflow damage. So, yung isang tulay na naging dahilan noon ay ang pagragasa ng tubig. Babaguhin natin depende sa ating engineers, so na-inspect na yung pinapagawa ng programs of works and at design, so nabaala lang po na baka Lunes, Martes ayan dyan na, he said. Enteng left 3 dead in Naga, which was placed under a state of calamity after the rains. Government authorities also dispatched both medical and food aid for those affected by the floods. The Department of the Interior and Local Government also distributed an anti-leptospirosis medicine to the Naga LGU. Ang mga dapat mabigyan ay nabigyan na po, Legasyon said. Now it's time for our sports news. Gusto ko sports. Okay. Ito. UAAP tayo mga kaibigan. UPI's share of lead in showdown versus UE. University of the Philippines is looking for a three-way tie for the number one spot in the UAAP Season 97 Men's Basketball Tournament, which when it takes on the University Saturday at the Coliseum. Fighting Maroons open their campaign by beating the Ateneo Blue Eagles in the Battle of Katipunan and now seeking to build on that win against the Red Warriors. Tip-up is at 6:30 p.m. In the first game of the men's doubleheader, it will be National University versus Far Eastern University at 4:30 p.m., with the winner notching its first win of the tournament. UP Watch with it 30th-year championship drought in the 2022 bubble tournament and runners-up in the last two seasons, flaunted its might on opening night in a 77-61 tripping of a young Ateneo crew. Excuse me. JD Kagulangan and Francis Lopez were stellar, and the Fighting Maroons unveiled Quentin Milora Brown, the one-and-done center from the Citadel, who grabbed 17 rebounds to dominate the Blue Eagles' front line. UP knows it has a long way to go as it tries to polish its game as the season progresses. Kagulangan, the season 84 hero, is determined to give back to Coach Goldwyn Monteverde by giving the Fighting Maroons another championship in his final year. UE, meanwhile, opened the season with a 55-70 loss to University of Santo Tomas. The Red Warriors sorely missed Noy Remugat, last season's mythical team member who moved to the Fighting Maroons earlier this year, as Nigerian Precious Momowe and Ivan Galang were only the bright spots in the loss to the Growling Tigers. Despite losing their season opener, the Bulldogs still have the potential to remain on the podium. And you gave defending champion De La Salle fits before dropping a 75-78 decision last Sunday, losing to a game-winning triple by reigning MVP Kevin Kiambao. The Bulldogs are facing the young Tamaraws, who are adopting the new system implemented by new coach PBA great Sean Chambers. PFEU has actually had a good start against Adamson University, only to lose team in the second half, suffering a 47-55 defeat also last Sunday. Chambers, who played under the Fame Triangle offense system under the decorated coach Tim Cone in the pros, remain upbeat about what the Tamaraws can do as the tournament progresses. Hopefully, we will be able to shock some teams this year, Chambers said. Action on Sunday at the Mall of Asia Arena will feature a rivalry game between De La Salle and Ateneo at 6:30 p.m. and UST gunning for a third straight win against Adamson at 3:30 p.m. The Green Archers and the Growling Tigers share the early lead at 2-0. In the women's division, former champion UNU shoots us for a second straight win against FU at 11:30 a.m., while UP seeks to rebound from its season opening setback to Ateneo as it tangles with UE at 1:30 p.m. Now it's time for our entertainment news. Ay, hindi ko nang sinabing entertainment sports. Entertainment sport. Ano yun? Loading na yung entertain. Anyway, sa telebigal na nga, play out. Hindi naman yan yung logo natin. Mo nung guess. Now, narito na tayo sa entertainment news. Ito, SB19's Pablo drops album Alon trends on X. Who's beeping? Wait a minute, I'm gonna see it outside. And my bisita. Oy, ma! Wait a minute, guys. Cairo, can you take over?
Okay, thank you, Mark Corrales. I was told to take over. I heard you loud and clear because I heard he's taking something right now. So, anyways, I'm alone here once again. So, yes, last 20 minutes before we leave the airwaves and before Siesta Musica takes place. So, yes. Okay, so all right. So let me see here. I don't know. I don't know why this thing is not being prioritized well here. Let me just like control camera here. Let me pull up here. There we go. Okay, how do I do this? Oh, okay. Alright, I'm controlling the cameras right now. See if I got it right here. Okay, so I have nothing to cover honestly, so I'm just going to be messing around what's there and what's there. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Okay, is he back?
Okay, I'm
Is
back.
he back? Yep. Oh, look, Mark, I'm controlling the cameras.
Hey, wow. Nice. So,
Okay, real good.
tuloy na natin
Right.
ito. Yeah.
No more commercial
Tuloy
break,
na
huh? No
natin
more
to.
commercial break. We already used up the ad breaks.
Of course. So, may pag-uusapan pero but for now, tuloy lang muna natin yung natin. Wait a minute. Bakit scroll? SB19's Pablo drops album on Trends on X. The album of SB19's leader Pablo released and it's available on all streams. Okay. Punta na siya, saan siya pupunta, ewan ko na lang. Okay. Balik na tayo dito. Saan ba siya pupunta? Wait a minute. What is he doing? He's roaming around. There we go. Okay, tuloy na natin yung news. Featured din na nung are the songs La Luna, Presyon, Wala, The Boy Who Cried Wolf, Kumunoy Kailan, featuring Josue, Drowning in the Water, and Breathe. As of writing, alon ni Olbap is in the top trending topic on X, formerly Twitter, with Pablo and SB19 fans expressing their love and support to their idol's album. The singer-songwriter is also set to release another album now next week, September 20. Pablo will also be doing UNA tour with special guests J2X and W3 on September 15 at Robinson's Galleria in Manila, on September 22 at Robinson's Ilocos, and on September 29 at Galleria South in Laguna. As a solo artist, Pablo released the songs EDSA, Akala, and Determinado. Aside from being the leader of SB19, team with other members Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justin. Pacboy is also the main rapper and lead vocalist of the P-pop group. At siya ng ating gusto ko balita ngayong araw. Ako po si Mark Corrales. Magandang umaga. Ay, hapon. Magandang hapon. At ipagpatuloy na natin ang GKS Gusto Ko Sabado. 1:45 na po mga kaibigan. Roam around muna tayo dito. So, ito po. May mga mics tayo dito. Tignan natin yung banyo kung malinis pa. Tara, Trevi. Malinis pa ba ang banyo natin? Tignan natin. Wow, Aspir's Cafe with DJ Sen the Sassy Journalist. Wow. And may tulugan with the Master Gio. But Master Sen naman yan. Oh my God, bakit dito ako sa staff? There we go. Banyo, bathroom. Tignan natin dito. Select the void. Meron na tayong meron tayong sink dito. May TV pa dyan. Ulit ang Spears Cafe episode. Dito tayo sa may women. Same rin lang. May gamer na toilet. Gamer seat na toilet pa. Ano to, Terebi? Oh my God. So lahat nito ay gamer seat toilets. Gamer seated toilets. Para sa mga gamers. Punta naman tayo sa men. Panditong gustong umihi. Kung gusto magpup-pup-pupiti scoop. Ito, gamer chair ulit. Gamer toilet. Gamer toilet. May RGB pa. At meron tayong shower. Ayun. I'm taking a shower tapos na. Okay, tara na tayo. Okay naman yung banyo dito. Napunta tayo sa hindi mayus-use na studio ni DJ Sen. Ito. Punta tayo sa gitna. Okay. There we go. Ito yung yung seating. Ito yung ating mga bushes. Books. Round table discussion table. Round table discussion table. At ang old layout table ni Tereb. Na nakay DJ Sen na. Ito, script ito, pero script yan ni Terebi na nagsasabing I love you, Mika. Real. Dito na tayo sa may GKS studio. Tara na, Terebs. Dito na ako. 1:48. Okay, so may pag-uusapan pa tayo. So, yeah, nakita niyo na yung mga changes sa Cool Studio. Yung meron yung title card ng GKS sa may harapan ng hallway. Tapos yung SBC Mika Lim logo sa may TMG. More changes to Cool Studios coming soon. Thanks to know. Magkaroon ng 10 floors. 10 floors. 10 floors. Sana para matawag na natin tong Okay, impossible. Okay, good to know. Pero marami pa rin changes ito. Just like yung Cheeto FM 69.9 na studio. Yes, of course. At may mag-go sa time ng GKS simula next week. Dahil dito, simula next week, or I think sa October, starting October. Kasi wala po munang GKS next week. Si first quarterly exams na po namin. Simula next month, October 2024. 1:00 hanggang 2:00 na po ang GKS. Yes po, totoo po ito. 10 na po yung time natin. Para po masikaso ko po muna yung mga pangyayari dito sa aking headquarters home. So, nag-iisip-isip ako at simulan on October 2024, 1 to 2 p.m. na ang GKS. So that means on the 12:30 to 1 slot will be another music automation. So, Cairo, paki-update na lang yung schedule. So, yun, nasabi ko na 1 hour na po ang GKS mula 1 to 2 p.m. Before Siesta Musica with Dreamcar. And ang mag-fulfill ng 12:32 at ay ang music automation. Okay, Cairo.
Okay, okay, so looks like Mark Corrales is gonna have to do something again. Anyways, now I have plans for cool studios coming soon. So yes, people, third floor will be revised. Yes, third floor will have some changes here now. Possibly this will be the head office. Yeah, this will be the head office here. And then third floor will be this one here. Yeah, this is where the third floor will go. Yep. Okay, so I am planning to add more elevators here, but the thing is, if I can, I'm going to, extend the elevator to fourth floor here soon. So this is where the, or I should say 3A or 5, yeah, 5, fifth floor, yes. So yes, guys, I'll see what I can do with the elevators here, but in the meantime, this is it for now. But I'm going to be adding more elevators. I will be adding one more additional elevators here, where the headquarters of, and this is where the elevator there. I'm also going to put the, I'm going to put some door there probably, but yeah, this is where the elevators will go, and then they can just go to the left, and that's where it is. So yes, people, I will be planning to make some changes to Cool Studios right after this show, so wish me luck, guys. I'm going to try to make changes to this site here, and we're gonna add more elevators for the convenience of this one. So since we have the top floor here, it makes no sense why we only have here, but yeah. But in the meantime, if we do add the elevators, this is going to be a locked area here. This will be locked here because I know for the fact that this is, yeah. And MRL thingy, the MRL thing, the cabinet will be relocated here once we have once we manage to put the elevators in this floor here. So yeah, the pre-included only came with the 3 elevators, 3 floors, but I'm trying to find a way on expanding this one, since you can see in the elevator shelf it's tight there. So yeah, I wonder how this is going to go, and I don't want to change the elevator models here, but yeah, if we can here, because this elevator is for 3 floors, there might be another elevator, and this week's going, and I believe will be installing the service elevator somewhere here. So where is this going to be located? Well, good question. I don't know where to put it. So yeah, good question. Where to put the service elevator here in Cool Studios? Well, that has yet to be decided, but for now, we're going to try to find a way on where we can put the. We can try to find a way where to put it. Maybe, yeah, no, not there, since there's the studios behind, and I don't want to like make it. Yeah. So yeah, service elevators will definitely be added to Cool Studios soon. So like for the fright stuff, that will be added soon. So yes. Also, if we do figure out on expanding the elevator, not just this line right here, then we can safely say that this part of the elevator will be expanded to 4 floors. But yeah, I'm gonna do some more research on that and on putting the elevators on this additional floor from PCFB here. So yes, or Stevens floor. So there will definitely be an elevator there soon once we figure that out. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. But for now, that's what it is. But I did say that we will have plans on putting more elevators here, which is service elevator for fright use only.
Cairo.
But yeah,
Cairo.
yes,
Ah.
yes.
Pinaplano mo bang magkaroon ng bagong floor sa itong Cool Studio?
No, I'm planning to add more. I'm planning to add an additional elevator to PCFB's floor. I'm going to try to find a way to put the elevator there.
Oh, so yun pa na yung purpose ng mga elevator doon sa may likod. Okay, it's 1:56
Yes.
para lang Cairo.
Okay.
Next week, mga next month. Kasi delayed, hindi mo na, wala mo. Next week, GKS will be now 1 to 2 p.m. Yes, it's official. 1 to 2 p.m. na po ang GKS. Gusto ko Sabado. 12:30 to 1 will be an music automation. So, tandaan nyo yan. 1:57. Susunod na po susunod yung yung Fiesta Musical with Dream Car. Paalala lang po, wala po muna si Dream Car dahil brownout sa kanila. Brownout po sa kanila. Sinabi na niya sa amin sa nung Aspires Cafe pa ito. So it will be a music automation Fiesta Musica mamaya. Okay, wait a minute. Ano? Aaron, wait lang.
Okay, so again, Mark
Okay, it's
has to do something.
Now,
Never mind.
it's 1:58. Ano bang bago pala sa Cool FM, Cairo? Ano pa yung magbabago sa Cool FM? It's still the same or merong mga bagong programa or what?
Sa Cool Studios, mamaya may elevator sa PCFB floor if we can. Pero for now, same pattern, pero I'm finding the ways to put the yung fourth floor sa taas yung sa elevator. Yeah. Yung lang. At yung bagong Cool FM, well, that's interesting. Mamaya may sabihin ni Geometric, di ko alam. Pero, abangan natin mo na. Back to you, Mark.
So, yeah. Nasabi na ni Cairo, may announce si Gio sa mamaya sa may tulagan with the Master Gio. Hindi na po Master Jograd kasi nag-appear na po siya tuwing Sabado. And it's 1:59. Diyan nagtatapos ang GKS. Gusto ko Sabado. Maraming salamat sa panonood ninyo mga ka-GKS. Simula next month na po, babalik ang GKS. GK will be only in the 2 Saturdays. And on October, magbalik ang GKS with brand new live episodes. So yan, tandaan ninyo. Simula October, balik na ulit ang GKS with a new time slot, 1 to 2 p.m. Until then, I'm Mark Corrales. Ito ang GKS. Gusto ko Sabado. Peace. Susunod na ang Siesta Musika without Dream Car.